What's going on, everybody? This is Future Automation, a place where imagination meets reality, and you're listening to Tejas. This is another episode of Unboxing Day, and today we are going to unbox something exciting. So let's get to it. So, guys, in previous video, what we have done is we have unboxed a 𝗵𝚗 i6X radio transmitter and receiver, which was quite fun, and more videos coming up for that as well. I'm doing some trial and error for that, so I'll be dropping off some videos soon. For now, this will be the first collaboration for my channel, and I'm really excited to share with you guys because everything that I'm doing today is because of all the views and all the support that you guys are giving me. So thanks for that. And this one's for you guys. So I have received a Bolt IoT kit from the Bolt IoT company, and they have asked me to test it out and learn about what platform they have created and how to use it, and also to create some IoT videos out of it. And if it's good enough, then I'll surely recommend you. So this is particularly just an unboxing video of the kit that they have provided. So with the kit, first we'll check what accessories we have got. So first what we have got is one small breadboard. It has two holes for the screws to put in, and then we have one three sets of jumper cable for connecting different sensors that they might have been providing us. And then what we are having is uh, a power cable to use it with the board. So now it's the main time to unbox the board. So here you can see this is the board box. So this is the board, and basically this is designed by Inventrom Private Limited, and it's a made in India board. So I'm really very excited with the board. So let's open it. So here we have the board. To get started, visit cloud.boardiot.com. So let me mention that this purely is a cloud-based board. We don't have to add any code from the local. Once you connect it to the Wi-Fi using their app, everything is online. You don't have to code anything. Just use their platform, and that's it. So we can do everything in real sense as a IoT, that is Internet of Things. So let's get it out. We'll keep the board aside for a minute. We'll check out the board soon. So they have added pull me out. Okay, so we have few of the sensors as well here. So let me get all the sensors out. Okay, so we'll check. This one is the buzzer, and this we can use for any kind of alarm system or anything that we need to provide. So this is it. Next to that we have few couple of transistors here, press buttons. So one press button they have provided, and we have one LDR as well, two LEDs, and I think these are the resistors and this is the transistor. So these are all things that they have provided, and there is one sticker that is bolt here. So I think that's it. There is one more sticker, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, so there are two stickers, and that's it. Now we'll take a closer look at the board. Okay, so the board is pretty simple. It's based on ESP8266 board, as per as I understand. So this is a Wi-Fi based board, and once you'll power up it, you will be able to connect it to Wi-Fi. And once it is connected to Wi-Fi, you just go ahead to the cloud and to their website and just add it. That's it. So we have four, I think four, five. So five digital pins, one analog, one TX-RX, one 5 volts. So if you are able to see here, 5 volts, 3.3 volts. So some sensors do need 3.3 volts, one ground, and that's it. The board is pretty small with very less number of pins, and probably I think they have kept it like that because as we are going to be connecting to cloud, I think we'll be using it mostly with some small amount of actions, and we can be you putting up lot of boards together instead of one board for multiple devices is what I think they are planning to do. But yeah, I think it's really good for the starters, and we are going to test it soon. So yeah, guys, this is all that we get with the uh, Bolt IoT kit, and they have mentioned that this is kind of IoT ML kit. So let's go to their website and see what all things they have mentioned in that, and probably we'll be able to give it a try in the next video and see how it works. And when I'll surely recommend you if things are working out with this, and it's a obviously great board for the start. Then okay, let's hop in for the website. So guys, here we are having the website that they have, the Bolt IoT guys are having, and in events once you start the website, you can see here that they have added a 2-minute video to see what exactly is the power of this board and what all things we can use it with. Although we are not going to see the video, we'll click on buy now directly and see what we get there. Okay, so I think they are having only one product as of now to sell, that is the kit and the training. So here you can see that they are Internet of Things and machine learning training that they are providing here at I think around 9,600, and it's quite good. They have mentioned in the training what all things we can learn here. You can see basics of IoT and ML to get started, work with Wi-Fi module, light sensor, temperature sensor, relays and buzzers, data visualization via Google Library, trigger automated SMSs and email alerts, and integrating devices with Facebook and Twitter. So the uh, curriculum looks cool, something different. I think integrating devices with Facebook and Twitter is something I'll surely look into, and also the visualization part. So next to that, we are having cloud computing, sending data to cloud, working with APIs, working with Linux VPS and Linux command lines. So, few things I am here reading, like these are new things like working with Linux. For me, at least, I'm not sure if a lot of people. So, if you have already worked with this, then drop a comment in the comment box and let me know that what all things you have worked in this section as well as in this. So, command line I have already worked, as we have already worked on IoT, but still uh, no one mentions usually this. So next to that is data prediction with polyfit. So this is new for me as well, and anomaly detection with the Z score. So that I'm already aware with. Some programming languages that they are covered from basics are HTML, Python, and JavaScript. So we can watch a preview. You will build on hands-on projects during this training: home automation, voice controlled lighting, environmental monitoring, smart farming, Telegram alert system. So again, this is going to be done by us as well in the Telegram ecosystem video that I'm creating. So if you have not watched that video, the link will be in the corner as well as in the description. So go ahead and check the previous 4 videos that I have created, because now we are going to get into IoT, and probably I'll try to integrate this board as well with that, and let's see if we can do that. Now the Bolt IoT has also provided me with a link which you can use to buy the same course in 2600. So if you go ahead and take a look at the course, and if you find it useful, you can just use the link below and see if you can buy it. Okay, next to that, we are having some things here. Okay, so this is it. We have few more information here: become a partner, contact us, and what all things they have done. Next to that, if we'll go to learning center, we have project tutorials. So let's check it out. So they have their own newsletters as well. So they, whatever things they are dropping off here, they will surely send you an email. So let's check automatic garden irrigation system. So they have mentioned what all things we are in need of, and so water pumps. Okay, okay. So I think long back I have dropped a video on smart drip irrigation. There's something similar to that, but not exactly this, but I think something similar to that. So you can check out that video as well if you want to work on IoT based projects, and I think it will be fun, of course. So go ahead and check out that video also, links in the description. And yes, guys, I think that's it. If you go to the About Us page, you have there are a few more things here: blog, podcast, training, workshops, and journey and beyond with IoT. So you can check out their websites. And about them, there are few things that here they have mentioned. And yeah, so the board of course came a lot of days back, but I didn't get much time to do the review as well as the training. So probably I'll surely drop up another videos the on how to use the board and connect it with the cloud. And if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe button if you're new and like it. If you have already subscribed my channel, make sure you hit the bell icon. Share it with all the IoT and non-IoT enthusiasts who are interested in creating something. And yeah, if you have any issues, queries, comments, anything, drop in the comment box. You can DM me in the Instagram as well as LinkedIn. If you are already connected with me, make sure you hit like button and subscribe button. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Keep innovating. Take care.